The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is getting closer to the launch, and we now have more proof. The phone has just been spotted on the Global Certification Forum, which usually means a worldwide release is happening soon. Not only that, but we also found its support page on Samsung's official website, confirming that it's on the way. The GCF listing shows a Samsung device with the model numbers SMA366B/DS and SMA366B. If you're wondering what these mean, the B tells us that this is the global version, while DS confirms it will support dual SIM cards. Based on past leaks, we know these numbers belong to the Galaxy A36 5G. Another interesting find is the phone support page on Samsung's UAE website, and it's not just there. We've also seen similar pages on Samsung's Kazakhstan and Russia websites. Those listings use a slightly different model number SMAA366E/DS, but they don't reveal any extra information about the phone itself. Now that we're in a new year, Samsung is gearing up to expand its lineup, and it looks like the Galaxy A36 5G is almost ready to join the mid-range family. In fact, the phone recently appeared on Geekbench, giving us a closer look at its hardware. The US version, listed as SMA366U, was tested on Geekbench, and the results give us a good idea of what to expect. The phone will come with an octa-core processor featuring 4 high-performance cores running at 2.40 GHz and 4 efficiency cores at 1.80 GHz. Based on these specs, it's likely that Samsung is using Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset for this model. The benchmark also confirms that the phone will have 6 GB of RAM and will run on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7 on top. While we still don't have all the details, leaks suggest that the design will see some minor changes. One of the rumored updates is a redesigned camera module which could give the phone a fresh look. Speaking of cameras, reports indicate that Samsung is improving the selfie camera to better compete with premium models. However, the rear camera setup is expected to remain the same as the Galaxy A35 5G. That means we'll likely see a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. If you're looking for a good mid-range phone, the Galaxy A36 5G might be worth considering. It should offer solid performance without breaking the bank, and if Samsung sticks to its usual pricing, it will probably cost around $400. As for the release date, Samsung typically unveils new A-series phones in the first quarter of the year. So if everything goes as expected, we could see the Galaxy A36 5G launch sometime in March. And that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy A36 5G? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.